Hello. If you are working in complex deals, sales frameworks like Meddicc, BANT, or Spiced can be invaluable tools to qualify the deal, ask the right questions, and progress the deal to closure. However, implementing these frameworks in HubSpot is often complex and time-consuming. With Meddicc Score, we've created the simplest way to bring them to life, using AI to automatically fill, score, and coach your team with ease. Let's see it in action. Imagine you are currently working on a new deal that already has some records such as notes, emails, calls, or meetings. We can use this information to automatically fill the framework form. The Meddicc scorecard appears on the right side or in the middle of your deal record. You can click on Update Score, and the AI will first use the existing information to fill the selected framework form. You can also add more information to complete the questions. Upon clicking on Score, the AI will provide you with a score for the deal, individual feedback, and recommend next steps to progress to closure. New record? No worries. With automations whenever a new record is logged, it will be reconsidered and the score will be automatically updated. Meddicc Score can also be accessed from the contact record. There, you can view all the deals associated with that contact, along with a personalized action plan featuring the recommended next steps for them. This includes potential talking points and questions that you may ask the contact to progress on the deal. You even have an email already drafted, tailored with the information from the deal. Similarly, in companies, you can find a list of all the deals and contacts related to that company with the key information needed to progress on the deal closure. So, ready to boost your sales? Install Meddicc Score from the HubSpot Marketplace and test it for free during 30 days. Get started today.